Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be announcing the winner of the HGL RC XJB-145. But before I do that, let's get and take a look at why this is such a good model to give away. Wow, that was just a fun flight. This thing has got great performance. As you could see in the video, it was hitting 98 miles per hour and some 5-inch models would struggle to get that. So quite incredible. Yeah, so great components, nice clean video feed, and I think it'll be a good copter to give away. So let's do that. So this is the video that I started with the competition. We have got 1,600 comments, which is amazing. So I'm going to copy the link to the video there, and I'm going to use this random YouTube comment picker. So if we just paste that into there and then press load comments, just take some time to do with all of those comments. And again, I did read every single one of them, but of course there was quite a lot of them, so I couldn't reply to every single one. But thank you to everyone that has participated, and good luck to everybody. Let's randomly pick a winner. So let's have a look. We've got Cody Young, and the comment: by the powers of the ancient Chinese jade dragon of luck, I command thee to make my comment the winner. We love you, Andy. Keep the reviews coming, brother. That is just so funny, isn't it? Well done, Cody Young. You have won the XJB-145, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up your channel here, and then what you're going to need to do is go into the About section of my YouTube channel. So that is YouTube/the Andy RC. And then if you come down here and send me a message, you're going to need to give me your full name and address, and you are also going to need to give me your email address and phone number, and that is for tracking purposes. So there you go. Everybody congratulate Cody, and thank you everyone for participating, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.